Hello guys, you're welcome to Mixing with Julson. It's been a while, I know. There's been a lot happening, and I'm sure you're seeing Pro Tools. This is not the usual me, but guys, there's something new happening. So I'm taking this professional course. It's called Advanced Creative and Recording Techniques. Advanced Creative and Recording Techniques, something like that. Okay, well, I'm taking this course and it's been super exciting. It's been really exposing. Oh, before I go far, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'm telling you, if you need a live recording engineer, I'm your plug. Like I am just your plug. And man, please book me quickly, early enough, because nearest future I'm gonna be charging a lot. Okay, just joking. But okay, so this is my drum recording project. I did a drum recording. I used basically 6 microphones, one on the kick, one on the snare, 2 overhead mics and 2 room microphones. Now if I can get this much detail with only 6 mics, no mic on the tom, on the hi-hats, like just 6 mics, you can imagine if I do a proper miking, let's say kick in, kick out, snare top, snare bottom, and whatever you can just imagine. So let me play this for you. So I'll play this first one. I'm going to play, I had 6 takes. This take I'm going to play, I had a RØDE NT2A for my kick, I had a Takstar drum mics for my snare and the overheads. That's 4 mics. For my room, I had a DM5 Wharfdale DM5 Pro and a Behringer C3. So just hear it. Now, this is without any edits, I assure you. All I had on my channel script were maybe just, you can see this stream here is active because I flipped the phase, basically because I had phase issues between the kick and the overhead mics. That's the only reason why I had any plugin on it. The only thing I did was to balance the volumes. Okay, right here, this second take, this is my first take. I had the Takstar drum mic in the kick, or just at the edge of the kick. I had the Takstar snare mic and the Takstar overhead mics. Then my NT2A and my C1 was used for my room. So just hear it. Let me take you somewhere you could hear some overhead activities, So I'm sure you can feel the stereo width, like it's beautiful. So you can imagine this is without editing, without quantizing. I have not quantized my drums yet. Yes, we quantize audio drums. I have not done any drum replacement. So imagine I do all those things and mix, and then you're gonna be in for it, guys. You'll have a tech recordist around. Okay, this is take 2. I don't have my book right here to remember the placement for take 2 though. I remember take 3. Yeah, I used this for my project. Take 3 for my submission, my assignment. Take 3, I had the Takstar mic, but I put it right inside the kick drum this time around. Then I used the DM5 for my snare. My room, I had my room mic behind the drummer, somewhere behind the drummer, like behind the drummer, and then yeah, let's hear it. It was the NT28 that was the room mic. Well, okay, I guess that is that. But using Pro Tools has not been easy because this is my first time using it. But then, it's for the greater good, guys. Just enjoy.